So how do we calculate the area of a sector? Now, to calculate the area of a sector, you first have to understand that a sector is simply a part of a circle that is bound by two radii. So we've got our first radii and our second radius, rather, bound by two radii, and an arc. An arc is simply a curve on a circle. Now, how do we then calculate the area of this sector that we've created right here? Now, if you notice, this is a circle, and when calculating the area of the circle, we say area of the circle is pi r squared. But in our case, we want to calculate half of the circle. So hence, we're going to say 1 over 2 pi r squared is the area of the sector. Now, let's say we have a circle with 4 different sectors, and we want to calculate the area of this sector. Like we said, our area of the circle is equal to pi r squared, but in this case we want a quarter of this, so hence 1 over 4, because there are 4 parts but we only want 1 part. Now, this is just a general concept to help you understand exactly how to calculate the area of a sector. Now, in a case where you are given a circle with a sector that we don't know how many of them are in that particular range, we don't know the angle in between. If you notice here, the angle is 180 degrees. Here, the angle is 90 degrees. Here, we don't know what the angle is. Now, how did we come up with this 1 over 2 pi r squared? In other words, where does it originally come from? It comes from the fact that when you're calculating the area of the sector is equal to the angle, which is theta, divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared. Now, if we put 180 here, and we say 180 divided by 360 times pi r squared, you realize that 180 there, 180 into 360 is 2. This will be 1 over 2 pi r squared. Exactly what we have here. And this is where this formula is coming from. Just to give you a bit of understanding exactly why we are starting with this concept. Similar here. Our angle here is 90 degrees. So if we say 90 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared, this will give us 1 over 4 times pi r squared times pi r squared. Now, how then do we find the area of a sector with an angle theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared? This is the formula for calculating the area of a sector. Now, I want you to note that this formula is easier when you're working in degrees, when your theta is in degrees. We'll talk about working with radians in another video, but when you're working in degrees, area of the sector is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. If this video helps you, don't forget to like this video and share it, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.